Hello everyone, welcome back to my another tutorial video. In today's tutorial video, I'm going to show you guys how you can connect DJI wireless mic 2 transmitter separately with a Samsung phone or any Android phone. So first of all, I would like to show you, go to the phone setting and go to the connections, Bluetooth, and make sure your phone Bluetooth is on, and then press the power button on the right side of the transmitter, and you will see the blue flashing light and the green flashing light in there. And then you have to press the link button, which is top of the power button, for a few seconds, and you will see the blue blinking light in there. And you can press the scan button on the phone. As you can see, this is the DJI wireless mic 2 shows in here, and if you click on that one, and it will vibrate on the phone and the transmitter. You just have to press the pair. So now the mic is paired with the phone, so you can record without the receiver, only using the transmitter link with the phone via Bluetooth. So as you can see, the phone is recording the audio via DJI wireless mic transmitter. Sometime some of the phones will not show you the audio meter left and right on the video. So what you have to do is you have to go to the pro video mode and then click on the four dots in here, and you will have the option here to use a wireless Bluetooth mic in there. And if you click that one, you will start getting the audio there, but I'm not facing any issue like that one in there. So as you can see, recording through the wireless mic transmitter. So this is how you connect the DJI wireless mic with any phone, iPhone, Android, Samsung, anything in there. So it's easy to do that. Sometime if you are not see the blue light in there when you are pressing the link button, so what you have to do is just press the record button for 3 seconds, which is on the left hand side in there. When you press the record button for 3 seconds, you will see the flashing light red one on the corner here, and then you press the link button in here, and then you will see the flashing blue and green light in there, which is mean you are ready to pair the DJI wireless mic with the phone. So as you can see, this is connecting and recording perfectly fine at the moment. But if you face an issue, so what you have to do is just go to the setting, press on the three dot, or you can move around and go to the more and go to the pro video mode, which is I already added in here. So and then you can go to the setting, and should be the option there to connect the via Bluetooth audio device, but mine one is already connected and recording, so I don't have to do anything else. So if you like my video, please leave a like, and I will see you in next tutorial video. Thank you very much for watching.